Good morning, guys. Welcome to math class. Today we are going to work on page 155. Divide tens, hundreds, and thousands. 155. Let's begin with the first exercise. Unlock the problem. Dustin is packing apples in gift boxes. Each gift box holds 4 apples. 4 apples. How many boxes can Dustin pack with 120 apples? We have to divide 120 by 4. First of all, we need to identify the basic fact. What is the basic fact? Pay attention, please. The basic fact is the division without zeros. No zeros, okay? That's the basic fact. No zeros. So we have 120, the original division. But the basic fact is the division without zeros. So 12 divided by 4. It is easier for us to divide 12 than 120. Easier than, right? It is easier to divide 12 than 120. So what do we have to do? We have to look for 12 in the table of 4. Remember that part? That's what we have to do. We multiply 12 times an unknown number equals, we multiply 4 times an unknown number equals 12. 4 times 3, 12. Okay, so here says use place value. So it means there are 3 tens. 3 tens in 120. Because remember that divide is make equal groups. Equal groups. Okay, equal groups. Now, divide. Divide. Step 3, divide. 12 tens. Oh, sorry. No, it's not like that. It is 3, the 3 tens is here. Here there are 12 tens in 120. 12 tens. What we did? Well, we eliminate a 0. That's what we did, eliminate a 0. So there are 12 tens. Now we divide 12 by 4. That's what we got here. 4 times 3 equals 12. Now, so here, 3 tens equals 30. Equals 30. 120 divided by 4 equals 30. So Dustin can pack 30 boxes. Why 30 and not 3? Because here we have 3 tens. Remember that I said at the beginning that we need to eliminate. We need to eliminate the 0 in the basic fact, right? So instead of 100 divided by 4, we worked with 12 divided by 4. But I know that you didn't divide the 0, this one. We didn't use the 0. But we have to write it in the answer. This is equals to 3. But we need to take into account the 0 and we write it here. We write it in the answer, okay? Second part in the same page. Example 2, divide 1,200 by 4. First, step number 1, we need to identify the basic fact. So the basic fact is 12 divided by 4. Again, how many hundreds are in 1,200? 3.
Miss,
Yeah. Oh, sorry. 1,200. Yeah.
Miss, I see all the cameras in black.
Your camera is in black. Okay. Let's continue. 1,200 divided by 4 equal 3, because 4 times 3 equal 12. And 300, how many zeros does 100 have? See, if you're gonna write 100, how many zeros you write to the next to the 1? 2 zeros. Exactly. So 100 has 2 zeros. Which are the zeros you ignore for a moment. So 1,200 divided by 4 equals 300. 300. Okay, complete that. You completed that? Yeah?
Miss Veronica.
Yeah?
Yes, Miss. I see all the cameras in black. Y me sacó y me metió a la clase otra vez.
Okay. Now, this one, explain how to use a basic fact in place value to divide 4,000 divided by 5. Here, can I divide 4 by 5? Is it possible? 4 divided by 5.
Yeah, no.
No, because 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 is greater than 4.
Okay.
So in this case, we are going to take 2 digits from 4,000. Vamos a tomar 2 dígitos del 4,000. Okay, 2 dígitos.
40 divided by 5.
Exactly. Is that possible?
Yeah, because the 40 is greater than 5.
Exactly. Exactly. So 40 is greater than 5. So 40 divided by 5, because here says, explain how to use a basic facts and place value to divide 4,000 divided by 5. Okay. So allí, punto. Punto. Well, doesn't look like up here, but it's up here. Here. But then says explain. 4,000, copy please, quickly. 4,000 is 4,000. 4,000. And 40 is 4,000. And 40 hundreds divided by 5 equals 8, right? So here we have to add the zeros. How many zeros we didn't include in 40? How many zeros are missing for the 4,000? Just one? We use 40. We use 2 digits. 40. 4 and 0. So we miss 2 more digits because 4,000 has 3 zeros. We use 1 here. Aquí, we use 1. But 4,000 has 3. So we need to add 2 zeros. 2 zeros, okay? We need to add 2 zeros. Here we have to complete with divide, the divide sign here. Okay, there. the divide sign. Next page. So let's do this one. Divide 2,800 by 7. Basic fact. What basic fact can we use? We can use 28, because remember that basic fact is to try to reduce the dividing. So it would be easier for us to do the division. Here it is, divided by 7. 28 divided by 7. 2,800 has 28 hundreds. Why 28 hundreds? Because what I eliminate from 2,800 were 2 zeros. Eso fue lo que yo eliminé, 2 ceros. Y los hundreds tienen 2 ceros. So, si a mí me faltan 2 ceros acá, it means 28 are hundreds. 2,800 divided by 7. 7 times an unknown number equals 28. Table of 7. Table of 7, please. Hello, guys. 7 times an unknown number equals 28. The homework in math in this week is study table. You need to, urgently. 7 times an unknown number equals 28. 7 times 2 equals 14.
7 times 3.
7 times 3 equals 24, 21. No, 7 times.
4.
Oh, 7 times 3 equals 21. 7 times 4 equals 28. So the answer is here, 400. 400. And so 2,800 divided by 7 equals 400. Now we're gonna divide 280 by 7. We're gonna do exactly the same. So the basic fact is the same. It's exactly the same. The basic fact is 28 divided by 7. Divided by. Hagan ahí el puntito. Yo no lo hago porque no me sale tan bonito. Now, 280 is equals to 28. And how many zeros I miss? I miss only 1 0. 1 0. So, estos números, look at these numbers. Tell me, are these numbers tens, hundreds, or thousands? What are they? Guys, these numbers, what are they? Tens, hundreds, or thousands? Because I have only 1 0. So in here, I eliminate 1 0. So it means that 28 are tens because I missed just 1 0 in 28. So 28 tens divided by 7 equal 4 tens. And 4 tens, so I write the 4. And this 0, the 0 I eliminated at the beginning, 40 is 4 tens, equals to 4 tens. Continue. So far, so good? Yeah?
Yeah.
Who is copying? Who is copying?
Isabela.
Isabela. Sebastian, are you there? Hello, Sebastian. Are you there?
Yeah.
Are you copying? Your camera is black. So let's do something. Apague la cámara y la vuelve a encender, please.
Yes,
Okay.
es que tengo un problema.
Okay, thank you. Isabella, did you finish?
No. I finished, Jose Enrique.
Okay. When Isabella finished, we continue. We continue when Isabella finished the video. Okay, guys, so we're gonna stop here. Thank you for your attention.